Do you want a great use for this monocular telescope? I am in port here in Bimini. You can see the ocean here all around me, and I saw a pod of dolphins playing. So I want to take this, see if I can see it. It actually comes with a cell phone mount, actually, and a tripod, just so you know. But I'm going to see if I can't use that cell phone mount, catch you some dolphins playing. Maybe, maybe not, but I'm going to certainly get you some cool looking shots so you can see a real world use of this. What a great thing. Look at how small this is, how light it is. Super fun to bring it on vacation like this, and I can spy on the fish or spy in the jungle when we go into Roatan or something like that. Yeah, really cool. Let me use it a little bit and show you what I find. Okay, look at this beautiful local beach we found in the Bahamas. I'm going to test this stuff out so you can see what kind of images we get. I see a cruise ship down there, there's a sailboat there. It'll be really nice fun test of this. So another hot tip kind of thing, I've run into this before. Look, I got 5 cameras on the front of my phone. Which one do I match up to the lens? It'll take a little bit of adjusting to get it just right. All right, so we got this. How great is that image? I'm not normally a huge fan of these things, but that is super cool. Let's see. Look down the beach. Let's look over this way. There's a ferry coming in. And then where's our cruise ship? Looking pretty good, our cruise ship. There we go. That's it. How crazy is that? That is the perfect example. That is one time not magnified on my phone, and then let's bring it in here. There we go. That's magnified. There we go. That's magnified. That is non-magnified. Magnified. That is amazing. Okay, I gotta say I'm quite proud of myself for that. What a great way to demonstrate this. I think it's time for me to go for a swim. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.